Hey everyone, here is Akshay and welcome to Daily Tuition. In the previous video, we saw that how to buy a domain. But in this video, we are purchasing a web hosting plan for our domain. So before we getting late, let's get started. Log into your Godaddy account. Go to hosting and click on web hosting. Scroll down and here you want to select a plan. So for beginner, we select starter plan. On the next window, select terms length of your web space. So we will select 1 month. We do not add anything else, so click on no thanks and click on the button. I had already added a domain, so I remove it. We add a promotional code for discount. So if you want a promotional code, then go to Google and type Godaddy promo code. And go to any of this website to get promotional code. Click on the show coupon code button and copy the code. Back to your Godaddy website and click on the add and paste the code here. And now click on apply button. When the promotional code is successfully applied, you will get a 50% discount on web hosting. And then click on proceed to checkout button. On this window, you want to fill up your billing and payment information. So I will select debit card to pay this amount. Then type these exact characters to this text box and click on the place your order button. Here you want to specify your debit card details, so I will fill this information. After you fill out this information, click on make payment. Type your OTP, send it to your mobile number and click on make payment. Now click on the web hosting. In this window we want to set up our cpanel, so click on setup. Select your domain name and click on next. Select recommended data center and click on next. Now here set up your cpanel username and password. But if you type your own password, this will not work. So click on generate password and click on next. We want to use WordPress website, so I will select yes. Type your WordPress username and click on generate password. And next, click on finished. Wait for a minute. When the process is done, you will redirect to your dashboard. From here, you can do whatever you want, like set up your WordPress website or manage your database and lots more. Now we want to set up our WordPress website, so click on it. Here you want to select my application. From here you can go to your website. Now we want to set up your admin panel, so go to this link and click on start wizard. Here you can select which type of website you handling, so I will select education. You can free to use your own category. Type your website title and your website tagline and next click on continue. On the next window, fill the important information like email, mobile number and address. After you fill this information, click on continue. Now choose your theme. You can change your theme anytime, so we will select this theme. It's done now. Go to your website address and reload it. You will see your theme is applied to your website. If you want, you can change and adjust your theme. Now your website is ready. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please subscribe to this channel. And if you find something useful, then please like this video. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy and keep watching.